Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Rob. Are you guys a fan of MasterChef, the TV show, Gordon Ramsay, some of his shows, Hell's Kitchen, things like that? Well, if you are, I have a product today that I'm going to be reviewing from the MasterChef TV show, MasterChef Utensils. That's right, MasterChef has put out a line of products on Amazon, ranging from steak knives to cutting boards to aprons, things like that. I actually do have the MasterChef 6-piece knife set, which I did a review video of that. I'll have a link for that if you want to check that out. But today I'm going to be checking out these utensils. These are the Vivicolor. You can get these in a couple different colors on Amazon. These were about 22 bucks. So let's open it up, see what they look like, see if they're staying or going back. All right, so inside the box you can see your basic utensils here. We do have a container in here as well. Not much in there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 utensils in the little container, which is has a little MasterChef logo on there. Not super hard plastic, but it is kind of like feels like a 3D printed kind of molded plastic. But it seems like it'd be very easy to wash, so that's a plus. A lot of the times I use wooden containers for my utensils, but those things, like, they're a pain to dry out. This washes a lot easier, I'm sure. Okay, and these are dishwasher safe, by the way, guys, so we will just open it up and see what we have. Quickly kind of take all these out of the package. Now, I'm not going to be using these in any cooking test today because these are just kind of basic utensils. It's pretty self-explanatory as how they work and things like that, but I will let you know what you get. So we do have a spatula, a slotted spatula. The feel of these, they feel really good. They're actually a little bit better than I thought, especially compared to some of these that I get at Target, which of these are okay, but you can kind of see these. Now these were like $20, right, from Target, and there's still like a lot of play in it. This is very sturdy. There's no really wiggle room in it. Feels very well made. So I definitely like that for sure. You do have a little spaghetti or a pasta grabber. We have a strainer. You can see these colors are actually really cool. Then we have 2 spoons, one slotted, one regular, and then we have our scoop. And these, I'm telling you guys, these are pretty nice. And we'll just see how they look sitting in here. This is how they would look sitting on your countertop. I'm not sure if you, we'll just sit it right there so you can see in the background. Some nice branding on the box. But overall, guys, I'm pretty impressed. They say they're heat resistant, non-scratch parts, soft grip handles. There's a hanging loop. I'm not sure where that is, but we'll figure that out. But yeah, I really like them. I'm definitely not sending these back. I'm gonna keep these for sure, just to add a little pop of color in my kitchen. As you can see, I don't have a ton of stuff in my kitchen right now. I just moved in. But I really do like them. I definitely think these would be perfect gifts for someone for Christmas, or someone that's got their first apartment, or their one of your friends got a new place and you want a housewarming gift. These are perfect. If you want to see the video of the knives, you can check that out. There'll be a link in the description below, guys. But let me know what you think of these. Do you think this is something that you might try? Something you might think is a cool gift for a fan of the show, MasterChef with Gordon Ramsay? Just let me know. What kind of utensils do you guys use? Do you think this is something that might be cool looking in your kitchen? Do you prefer the color utensils? They also do come in black, or do you just prefer basic cheap utensils that you can just throw away? But like you can see, like these things, these were $20 for like 5 of these at Target, and they're pretty flimsy. These, pretty sturdy. Okay guys, that's it for today. That was just a little quick video. If you like this video or you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Help me grow this thing, guys. I really appreciate it. Again, this is Rob Thomas with Rob Thomas Reviews. I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much.